Welcome to MyShield. This video will guide you through the installation process, making it simple and straightforward. Let's get started. Gather these items. The product featured in this video is MyShield Next, but the process applies to all MyShield models and versions. Slide off the bottom cover and wall mount. Insert the SIM card until it clicks. Press the red release button to remove the battery pack. Insert 6 batteries. Insert battery pack into MyShield. Place MyShield upright on a counter near its intended installation location. Refer to MyShield installation guide for the best location. Remove the blue PIR protection tape. Once MyShield starts beeping, it will initiate a search for a cellular connection for up to 2 minutes and beep every 30 seconds until it connects. Do not move the unit until you hear an announcement indicating the quality of the reception. If there's no reception after 2 minutes, another search cycle will begin. In case no reception is found,
no reception.
Try a different location or a SIM card from another operator. If changing location, begin the network scan again by reinserting batteries. Insert batteries and power on the canister simulator. Insert the canister into MyShield and twist it clockwise to lock. Mount the back cover on the wall. Refer to MyShield installation guide for instructions. Attach MyShield to the wall-mounted back cover. Slide the bottom cover until it clicks, using the alignment lines as a guide. Cover the PIR sensor to avoid detection. Download the Essence Smart Security app or the Essence Smart Security for NA app in the US. Select Vendor Code at the top left corner and enter the code received from your vendor. Sign up the customer as a new user. Add a new device by clicking the plus button on the MyShield line and scanning the QR code on the device or on its box. Your MyShield is now ready to use. Gather these items. Enable wired input in the MyShield settings and set its configuration. Remove the bottom, back, and top covers. Take the wire from the side without the resistor and thread it through the new top cover, and then through the bridge. Secure the wire through the bottom 2 connectors. Wire off the cover until it is taut. Tie the wire in place with the zip tie. Attach the new top cover. Pull the cable through the rubber grommet. To configure the device for wired input, you need to perform one of the following actions. Tamper with the device. Remove and reinsert batteries. Activate PIR detection. This will initialize the device. To ensure the wired input is installed correctly, attach the 2 wire ends together and wait for 3 seconds until the simulation canister deploys. Follow the MyShield installation guide for third-party wiring instructions. On the main app menu, arm the system to begin the testing phase. Wait 5 minutes to verify the PIR sensor is ready for detection. Remove the PIR sensor cover. The PIR sensor LED will blink, indicating movement is detected. If your MyShield has a camera, it will start recording, and the area will be illuminated if dark. An alarm will sound on the mobile phone. An audio announcement will sound 3 times. Enter the mobile app and you will see a red intrusion screen. Now press Actions and select the relevant MyShield from the list. If your MyShield has a camera, you will see the video. Press Deploy MyShield to simulate the release of smoke. An audio announcement will sound 3 times. The smoke release door opens and the canister simulator beeps. If your MyShield has a camera, a confirmation photo of the area is taken. Disarm the system, slide and remove the bottom cover. Take out the simulation canister and turn it off. Wait 5 seconds. Remove the MyShield batteries to reset the device. Wait a few seconds and reinsert the batteries. Insert the live smoke canister and close the bottom cover. Wait until you hear an announcement confirming the quality of the reception. Installation complete. Your MyShield is now ready to protect you.